So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now make sure you're logged in to your Apple account, as you will need it to install apps on your iPhone. Once you log in to your Apple account, tap on Done. Now, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now here tap on the search bar. Now search for Microsoft Teams. Now, this is the Teams app. To install it, tap on Get. And now, verify with Face ID. Now this will start installing the app. Wait until the process is completed. Now once the app is installed, tap on Open to launch it. And now this will launch Microsoft Teams app. You can log into your account and start using it. So this is how you can install Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.